Alrighty, let's see if we got voltage. Yeah, we got 120 coming in. We got 28 volts coming out. I don't know if you can see my finger, but this shit blinking right here. Should be blinking. It's not. So let's check the fuse. Fuse is good. Let's see what else it could be. Let's check 24 at the board. Okay. We got our 24 at the board. Even though we got 24. 2 from the transformer going to the board. Let's see what we find. Okay guys, I took them out, the plug out of the board, and we got voltage coming out of this plug. So, now we got 24 at the board, lights blinking. So it's either this plug is weak or this board is no good. Stay tuned. There you go. Good. Have to repair the plug. I forgot what it's called. But yeah, it was some of the pins were loose, so it wasn't in good contact. And tightened them up, and we're good to go. Split repairs, including California.